Artificial intelligence is transforming industries and creating exciting new career paths. Whether you're a recent graduate or looking to switch fields, there are plenty of AI jobs you can start today. In this video, we'll explore the top AI roles, what they involve, and how you can get started. From technical positions to creative and business-focused roles, AI offers something for everyone. Let's dive into the world of AI careers and discover the opportunities waiting for you. AI is one of the fastest-growing fields in technology. Companies across the globe are investing heavily in AI to improve efficiency, automate tasks, and create smarter products. This demand means there are more job openings than ever before, with competitive salaries and opportunities for growth. If you're curious, adaptable, and eager to learn, AI could be the perfect field for you. Let's look at the most in-demand AI jobs you can start today. AI engineers are responsible for designing, developing, and deploying AI models and systems. They work with data scientists and software developers to build intelligent applications that can learn and adapt. If you have a background in computer science, programming, or mathematics, this could be a great fit. AI engineers often use languages like Python and frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Let's see what skills you need to become an AI engineer. To succeed as an AI engineer, you'll need strong programming skills, especially in Python. Familiarity with machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch is essential. A solid understanding of mathematics, particularly linear algebra and statistics, will help you build effective models. Experience with cloud platforms and version control tools is also valuable. Continuous learning is key, as AI technologies evolve rapidly. Data scientists play a crucial role in the AI ecosystem. They analyze large datasets to uncover patterns, build predictive models, and provide actionable insights. Data scientists often collaborate with business teams to solve real-world problems using data-driven approaches. If you enjoy working with data and have strong analytical skills, this role could be ideal for you. A successful data scientist needs expertise in statistics, data analysis, and programming. Proficiency in tools like Python, R, and SQL is important. Experience with data visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI helps communicate findings effectively. Machine learning knowledge is a big plus, as is the ability to translate business needs into data solutions. Machine learning engineers focus on building and optimizing machine learning models. They work closely with data scientists to turn prototypes into scalable solutions. This role requires strong programming skills, a deep understanding of algorithms, and experience with large datasets. If you like solving complex problems and enjoy coding, this could be the right path for you. To excel as a machine learning engineer, you'll need advanced programming abilities, especially in Python and C++. Familiarity with machine learning libraries and frameworks is essential. You should also understand data structures, algorithms, and software engineering principles. Experience with cloud computing and distributed systems can give you an edge in this competitive field. AI product managers bridge the gap between technical teams and business stakeholders. They define product vision, prioritize features, and ensure successful delivery of AI-powered products. This role requires strong communication skills, strategic thinking, and a good understanding of both technology and market needs. If you enjoy leading projects and working with diverse teams, consider becoming an AI product manager. AI product managers need a blend of technical knowledge and business acumen. Familiarity with AI concepts, project management tools, and agile methodologies is important. Strong communication and leadership skills are essential for aligning teams and stakeholders. Understanding user needs and market trends helps guide product development in the right direction. AI research scientists push the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. They work on cutting-edge projects, develop new algorithms, and publish research papers. This role is ideal for those with a strong academic background and a passion for innovation. If you love exploring new ideas and advancing technology, this could be your dream job. To become an AI research scientist, you'll need a PhD or advanced degree in computer science, mathematics, or a related field. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills are crucial. Experience with academic research, publishing, and presenting at conferences is highly valued. Staying up to date with the latest AI advancements is essential for success in this role. AI consultants help businesses implement AI solutions tailored to their needs. They assess company goals, recommend strategies, and oversee deployment of AI technologies. This role combines technical expertise with business insight. If you enjoy problem-solving and working with clients, AI consulting could be a rewarding path. AI consultants need a mix of technical and business skills. Understanding AI technologies, project management, and change management is important. Excellent communication and presentation abilities help explain complex concepts to clients. Experience in a specific industry can also make you a more effective consultant. AI solutions architects design and oversee the implementation of AI systems. They work with clients to understand requirements and create scalable, efficient solutions. This role requires deep technical knowledge and strong project management skills. If you enjoy designing systems and leading technical teams, this could be a great fit. To be an effective AI solutions architect, you'll need expertise in system design, cloud computing, and AI technologies. Strong communication and leadership skills are essential for working with clients and guiding teams. Experience with large-scale deployments and integration is highly valued in this role. NLP engineers specialize in building systems that understand and process human language. They work on chatbots, voice assistants, and language translation tools. This role requires knowledge of linguistics, machine learning, and programming. If you're fascinated by language and technology, NLP engineering could be your calling. NLP engineers need strong programming skills, especially in Python. Understanding of linguistics and experience with NLP libraries like NLTK or SPA-Sci is important. Machine learning knowledge and the ability to work with large text datasets are also key. Staying updated with the latest NLP research helps you stay ahead in this field. Computer vision engineers develop systems that interpret visual information from the world. They work on applications like facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and medical imaging. This role requires expertise in image processing, deep learning, and computer vision libraries. If you're passionate about visual technology, this could be the perfect fit. To excel in computer vision, you'll need strong programming skills and experience with libraries like OpenCV and TensorFlow. A solid understanding of image processing, deep learning, and mathematics is essential. Experience with real-world datasets and problem-solving abilities will help you succeed in this dynamic field. AI ethicists ensure that AI systems are designed and used responsibly. They address issues like bias, fairness, and transparency in AI applications. This role requires a background in ethics, law, or social sciences, as well as an understanding of AI technologies. If you care about the impact of technology on society, this is a meaningful career path. AI ethicists need a strong foundation in ethics, philosophy, or law. Understanding of AI technologies and their societal impact is crucial. Excellent communication skills help advocate for responsible AI practices. Experience with policy development or regulatory frameworks is also valuable in this role. AI trainers teach AI systems how to perform tasks by providing labeled data and feedback. They play a key role in improving the accuracy and reliability of AI models. This job is accessible to those without a technical background, making it a great entry point into the AI field. AI trainers need attention to detail and patience. No advanced technical skills are required, but familiarity with data labeling tools is helpful. Good communication and teamwork abilities are important, as trainers often collaborate with engineers and data scientists. AI support specialists assist users and clients with AI products and services. They troubleshoot issues, answer questions, and provide training. This role is perfect for those who enjoy helping others and have strong problem-solving skills. It's a great way to enter the AI industry without a technical background. To succeed as an AI support specialist, you'll need excellent communication and customer service skills. Problem-solving abilities and patience are essential. Familiarity with AI products and basic troubleshooting techniques will help you provide effective support. AI content creators use AI tools to generate articles, videos, and other digital content. They combine creativity with technology to produce engaging materials for marketing, education, or entertainment. If you have a passion for storytelling and enjoy experimenting with new tools, this role could be a great fit. AI content creators need strong writing or multimedia skills. Familiarity with AI-powered content tools and platforms is helpful. Creativity, adaptability, and a willingness to learn new technologies are key to success in this evolving field. AI sales specialists help companies sell AI products and services. They understand customer needs, explain technical features, and close deals. This role requires strong communication and sales skills, as well as a basic understanding of AI technologies. To be successful in AI sales, you'll need excellent communication and negotiation skills. Understanding of AI products and the ability to explain complex concepts in simple terms are important. A customer-focused mindset and persistence will help you achieve your sales goals. AI marketing specialists use AI tools to analyze market trends, segment audiences, and optimize campaigns. They combine marketing expertise with data analysis to drive business growth. If you enjoy both marketing and technology, this role offers a unique blend of skills. AI marketing specialists need experience in digital marketing and data analysis. Familiarity with AI-powered marketing tools and platforms is helpful. Creativity, strategic thinking, and the ability to interpret data are key to success in this role. AI QA testers ensure that AI systems work as intended. They test models, identify bugs, and suggest improvements. This role requires attention to detail, analytical skills, and a basic understanding of AI workflows. If you enjoy problem-solving and quality control, this could be a great entry point. QA testers need strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Familiarity with testing tools and basic programming knowledge is helpful. Attention to detail and the ability to document findings clearly are essential for ensuring high-quality AI products. AI data labelers annotate data to train machine learning models. This job is accessible to those without a technical background and is often available as remote or freelance work. It's a great way to gain experience in the AI field and understand how data powers intelligent systems. Data labelers need attention to detail and the ability to follow instructions carefully. No advanced technical skills are required, but familiarity with labeling tools is helpful. Consistency and reliability are important for producing high-quality labeled data. AI business analysts bridge the gap between technical teams and business stakeholders. They analyze data, identify trends, and recommend strategies to maximize the value of AI investments. This role requires strong analytical and communication skills, as well as a good understanding of business operations. Business analysts need strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Experience with data analysis tools and business intelligence platforms is helpful. Communication and presentation abilities are essential for sharing insights with stakeholders and guiding decision-making. AI project managers oversee the planning and execution of AI projects. They coordinate teams, manage timelines, and ensure project goals are met. This role requires strong organizational and leadership skills, as well as an understanding of AI technologies and project management methodologies. AI project managers need experience with project management tools and methodologies like Agile or Scrum. Strong leadership, communication, and organizational skills are essential. Understanding of AI technologies helps in aligning project goals with technical capabilities. AI security specialists protect AI systems from cyber threats and vulnerabilities. They assess risks, implement security measures, and monitor for suspicious activity. This role requires knowledge of cybersecurity, AI technologies, and risk management. If you're passionate about security and technology, this could be your ideal job. To succeed as an AI security specialist, you'll need expertise in cybersecurity, risk assessment, and incident response. Familiarity with AI technologies and security frameworks is important. Analytical thinking and attention to detail are crucial for identifying and mitigating threats. AI hardware engineers design and develop hardware components optimized for AI workloads. They work on chips, sensors, and devices that power intelligent systems. This role requires expertise in electronics, computer engineering, and hardware design. If you enjoy building physical technology, this could be your path. Hardware engineers need strong knowledge of electronics, circuit design, and computer engineering. Experience with hardware prototyping and testing is important. Familiarity with AI workloads and optimization techniques helps in building efficient hardware solutions. The world of AI is full of opportunities for people with diverse skills and backgrounds. Whether you're technical, creative, or business-minded, there's a role for you in this exciting field. Start by identifying your strengths, learning relevant skills, and exploring entry-level positions. With dedication and curiosity, you can build a rewarding career in AI. The future is bright. Take your first step today.